Hey, casual crypto investor family. It is the casual crypto investor, and I am back with another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu. Man, has it been blowing up? I'm loving seeing it. The overall crypto market, for the most part, has just been blowing up, especially yesterday. We had a great day yesterday. And so found an article for you guys in regards to Shiba Inu. I still do own a little bit of SHIB to be 100% transparent. With you guys, I had a lot of SHIB. I had a lot of SHIB, and so I did relocate a good maybe about half of my holdings into other projects. And I think I mentioned that on one of my other videos, but I still do hold a good amount. And if it did hit 1 cent, I would definitely be in that millionaire club party. So I'm thankful for that. And I might, depending on the lows of it, and I'll definitely maybe purchase a little bit more on the dip. But I'm very excited. I'm in the trenches with you guys, especially if you're in the SHIB army or in the SHIB community. It's one of those tokens that I think still has a lot of potential. We've had a rough road. Just in general in the crypto space, we all have had a rough road. But the Shiba Inu community, we've really had it's been tough. It's been tough and it's been very hard. But I've been holding. I've been diamond hands holding on to Shiba Inu, and I will continue to do so for that 1 cent dream. All right. So let's get into the crypto market right now. Excuse me. Currently, right now, we're sitting at a $2.27 trillion market cap. We're down a little bit. Currently, right now, Bitcoin is still over 61,000. Man, Ethereum has been blowing up, man, over 33,000 or over 3,300. Excuse me, not 33,000. That'd be crazy. 3,300 right now. XRP is doing good, holding where it's at, man. Had a nice on the 7-day, man, up 10%, which is great to see. And then let's scroll on down to Shiba Inu right now, still. Or actually it moved up. It's in the 16th spot. I think it surpassed Uniswap. And currently right now, look at this, guys. Look at this. 34% in 7 days. Unreal. The bank is not going to give you 34% in 7 days on the return on your money, which is crazy. Even Uniswap, look at that, up 52%. Unreal, guys. Unreal. So the bull run is definitely in full effect, and I'm glad to finally see it, right? Quick shameless plug. Feel free to follow me on Twitter. It's a great way for you to stay in contact with me. Sometimes it's easier for me to tweet than it is for me to make a video. And so it's another great way for you to stay in touch. And if you have a particular project or information you want to share, obviously do it in the comment section here on YouTube, but also I'm just giving you another channel that I'm on, and that is on Twitter or X, right? So let's get into this article that I came across. I think it broke down some of the reasons why SHIB is running, right? And basically it breaks down the factors, right? Why SHIB is pumping, right? So one of the things, as we all know, right, the burn rate. I know the burn rate has not probably gone as smooth as we all like it to, but it is a factor that is contributing to the price jump, right? So in the article, it says data from the burn tracking website SHIB Burn shows that SHIB's burn rate has increased exponentially as of late, contributing to the meme coin. I hate when they say that, but I'll just say to the project's latest price surge. According to SHIB Burn, almost 103 million SHIB tokens have been burned in the last 24 hours, a 1,900% increase from the previous day, right? So obviously that's a huge catalyst for why we're seeing the price jump. Moving on, it says this is a welcome development considering that Bitcoin has reported a crash in the SHIB token burns a week ago, with only about 2 million SHIB tokens burned on February 20th. As such, a spike in the token burns automatically sends a bullish signal across the ecosystem. Token burning is one of the initiatives the Shiba Inu community has adopted to help increase SHIB's value, right? So obviously, we definitely hit some bumps in the road, but it is getting a little bit better. And I'm happy to see that. Moving on, says, meanwhile, the recent petition launched by the SHIB community urging Grayscale Investment to offer a Shiba Inu ETF is another factor that could be driving the meme coin's bullish momentum. Although it seems like a reach, the possibility of launching an ETF that centers around the meme coin is one that provides optimism to SHIB investors, right? And so, yeah, I feel like that's another valid point too as well. SHIB is not too far away from Dogecoin. I don't know if we're ever going to get a Dogecoin ETF. I mean, there's obviously a strong possibility, but if you're going to talk about a Dogecoin ETF, you got to talk about SHIB too as well, because it's not too far away. So and it'll be unreal. Like if we start seeing like Pepe and some of these Bonk and all these other projects out there, being talked about as an ETF. That'd be crazy to see, right? Moving on, it says also too, investors are betting more on SHIB. So data from CoinGlass shows that the open interest for SHIB has increased in the last 24 hours. This is significant as the derivatives market is known to impact a crypto token's price discovery. The increase in open interest also suggests that traders are likely placing more bullish leverage bets on the meme coin, right? So, as we're seeing this, pump just overall in crypto, that euphoria is setting in and people are going to start thinking this train won't stop. And, a lot of people are going to get sucked in and a lot of people are going to want to, see some gains and start investing in crypto again. And I'm sure, we're already kind of seeing that with Bitcoin, right? I know the ETF wasn't the, quick pump that we all thought it would be. Yeah, it did pump a little bit, but, I really think, when that Bitcoin halving comes in April, man, I am just going to sit back and wait because, again, like I mentioned in some of my other videos, we do not know what the crypto market looks like with an ETF. Yeah, we've been through bull runs before, right? We've been through bull runs, I think, 2020 or 2019 or so. That was crazy. Um, you know, but now we actually have an ETF for one particular project, and now we're coming up on a bull run season, and now we have that. I can't imagine what it's going to be. So all I know is that I'm going to continue to add to certain positions in certain crypto projects, and I'm going to be here for it. I'm already up a lot in some of my holdings right now, and I'm grateful for that. And I'm going to continue to look for other opportunities too as well. But lastly, moving on here, it says this increased interest in the Shiba Inu ecosystem is not surprising considering how much the team continues to put in to ensure that the crypto token stands out as more than a meme coin, right? Earlier this month, they secured a strategic partnership with K9 Finance, a liquid staking derivatives platform. This move will ultimately benefit SHIB as more token burns are expected to be carried out due to this increased trading activity on Shibarium. More liquidity is also likely to flow into the ecosystem soon enough, as K9 Finance recently announced its token generation event, which will take place on March 7th. And so, yeah, I'm excited, guys. So let me know in the comments what you think. Or do you think these are some good things, or if there's anything that this article left out in terms of catalysts that are driving up the price for Shiba Inu? Let me know in the comments what you think about that. If you like this type of content, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.